Today we are installing a carbon fiber 5VM front splitter. You can see I took my old splitter off. Looks really weird right now, but if you order a C8 without the Z51 package, this is what it looks like. I'm gonna show you guys the splitter that I got, and I'll show you how to put her on. Before that, the only tool you're gonna need is a T15 Torx bit, just like this. You can pick it up at Harbor Freight. You can do this by hand. I don't even lift up the front end of the car, I just do it on the ground. And what you're unscrewing are about 21 of these little T15 screws. So extremely easy. Like I said, you can do it with the car on the ground. If you're working on this alone, like me, I just put wood on one end, paper towels on the other, just to hold the ends up. Put the first 4 screws in the middle. Just gonna work my way out to each of the ends. All right guys, that's it for the video. Here's a final look at the carbon fiber front splitter on the car. Let me know in the comments what you guys think about it. I'm curious if you guys like this one more or the ZR1 splitter that I just had on the car. Let me know in the comments. Besides that, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you have any questions, anything like that, put them in the comments and I'll help you out.